What's up, cool people? I'm back with another video. And before we start this video, I just want to give my little brother a shout out. My little brother Justice came up with this dope idea and this dope clothing brand called Blended. His idea came from our family having so many ethnicities. I can't say that word, ethnicity. So many different races in our family that we're really tight with and we're really close with. We truly love our family no matter what color. I'm blessed to have every last one of you, and I love you all. So thank you, Justice, for this awesome shirt. I will leave a link in the bio if y'all want to support him. He's like 16. Sorry if I don't know your age, Justice, I'm sorry. But he's like 15, 16. He came up with this dope idea. So yeah, so we're rocking that today. You'll probably see me rock more blended stuff. So if you want to get a dope shirt from my little brother, go down in the bio. I will leave a link in the bio so you can go get you one. Go get one. Really cool. Really love what he's doing. But anyway, let's jump into the video. I know why you guys are here. We're talking about the iPhone battery pack, the Magsafe battery pack, is this battery pack worth it battery pack? So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do an unboxing today to see what's in here. And we're also gonna do a setup, and I'm gonna talk about what I like and what I don't like about this battery pack. I'm already seeing some good and some bad, but we're gonna hop into it. So let's get this video started. Right off the bat, very Apple-like, all white box. You know, you always got the easy pull tabs to, you know, open the box. So there's the slide out. And then once you get it out the box, you have, I swear Apple box all of this stuff the exact same way. I mean, it's good. I'm not mad at it, but it's all boxed the same exact way. But we get the actual battery pack. Now this thing is, it's not that thick. I'm gonna grab my iPhone. It's not that thick. Let's take this case off. It's not that thick compared to the iPhone. I mean, it's thicker. It's definitely thicker than the iPhone. And it does fit on there pretty well. So if you have something like a iPhone 12 Pro Max, this is what it's gonna look like, because this is what this phone is. It's an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So to me, it kind of looks a little goofy on the back of there. I don't know, but to each his own, I guess. Some people may think so, some people may not. I think this would fit really well on like a 12 mini. I want to say this fits it perfectly, and the magnets are really strong on it though. Like it's like real strong. Like it does have a little bit of sway to it, but like you have to push it though. It's not like easily like rotatable. Like I actually have to push it. It's just not gonna fall. I couldn't imagine sticking this in my pocket because I don't know if it would shift around in my pocket after a while. But other than that, like if you're just using it to get a quick charge out of your battery, I think it's perfect for that. So let's talk about the build quality of this battery pack. It's a hard white plastic shell. I honestly wish Apple would have gave us more colors, but I guess it's okay. White is fine, but I'm sure it will get dirty over time and start looking a little grimy after a while, but it's fine. It's about 115 grams, so it's not real heavy. Honestly say my iPhone 12 Pro Max is a little bit heavier. At least it feels like it anyway. It's about 11 millimeters thick, and I showed you the comparison between that and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And here's the downfall of this thing. Now, depending on what phone you have, I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and depending on what phone you have, so the iPhone 12 Pro Max has 3687 milliamps, and this thing only has 1460. So here's the problem. 1460 is not even half of 3687, which means this ain't charging my phone all the way through. Another thing I don't like about this thing is when it's not plugged in, you're only getting 5 watts of charging speed. So that means this thing is really slow. This is gonna be about the same speed of that slow 5-watt, smaller power brick. But the charging speeds aren't all bad, because when you plug this into a wall adapter, perfectly like a 20-watt wall adapter, this will give you 15 watts of charging speed, which is really quick. So you can put your Magsafe battery pack on the back, plug it into a 20-watt charger, and it would essentially give you 15 watts of charging speed, and you can also leave it on the charger as is. But with that being said, you can use this as two things. You can use it as a battery pack, just to take on the go with you. But you could also use as a wireless charger when you just want to just stick it down on your desk or on your nightstand or wherever you have your charger, and it will charge your phone with the power adapter plugged in. So that is a good thing. I did run out and get my AirPod Pros to see if you could charge your AirPod Pros on the battery pack, and you can. So if you're ever in a situation where your AirPod Pros are dead and you're not next to an outlet, but you do have your battery pack, you can charge your AirPod Pros on this thing. This thing essentially acts as a Qi wireless charger for most products. So if you don't have an iPhone and you have something like a Galaxy or some type of Android phone, you can stick it on this if it has wireless charging, and it will charge your devices. The only bad thing is, this is MagSafe, so of course it's not going to stick to the back of your phone. And in that case, there are plenty battery banks by Anchor and other companies that could probably do you better and offer you more milliamps that would give you more power for your phones and other devices, and it would charge things several times over. If you're looking for that out of this ain't the one. Plus, if you don't have an iPhone, there's no reason to even get one of these. It will charge other Qi wireless things, and so your AirPods are good. Your Apple Watch is not going to be good. I know I'm going to get somebody to ask me that, so I'm going to just go ahead and say Apple Watch would not charge on this thing. But most things won't charge your Apple Watch. Apple Watch has its own dedicated charger, and I don't know that I've ever had a Qi wireless charger that actually charged my Apple Watch. I could be wrong, but if there is one, you can definitely let me know. So overall, the things that I do like that it's smaller. I do like that it is MagSafe, so it does fit on the back of my phone. So if I'm ever in a situation where I just need to, keep my battery where it is, or just keep it from dying, or maybe just add a few more percentages on it, that's cool. I do like how strong the magnets are. This thing isn't going anywhere unless you just physically pull it off. And even then, it does have a little give to it. So I do like the build quality. It is a hard plastic. It doesn't feel like super premium, but it doesn't feel cheap either. And I do like when you plug this into a 20-watt charger brick, it gives you 15 watts of charging. So this could essentially, again, act as a Qi wireless charger if you want it for something like that. And again, it does charge your other Qi wireless devices. My AirPods do charge on this thing. Other than that, for $100, and this is hard for me to say because I am a big Apple fanboy and I love things Apple, as you can see. But I would probably steer clear of this if you're looking for something with more milliamps, because again, as a 12 Pro Max user, this isn't going to charge my phone fully. And if you're looking for something that's going to be a little quicker, because they do have Qi wireless chargers that are quicker as far as wirelessly charging your phone or plugging it in to a battery bank and charging your phone. And this is $100. I don't know, Apple. This should have probably been like, I don't know, 59 maybe, but $100 is, I don't know. But that's why we review these things, so you guys can have an idea on what you're looking at, what you'll get before you actually go out and make this purchase. I will definitely keep this. I won't return it. I'll definitely keep it. I'll use it as like a just in case kind of battery pack thing, or sometimes when I'm traveling, I'm flying and I have layovers and I don't feel like plugging in, or maybe there's no plugs to go plug in. It's cool to, I guess, have this little thing I can just throw on the back. And another thing is, I know someone will ask, it will work through a case, and this isn't even a MagSafe case. This is just a little case that I picked up off Amazon, and it does work through a case, and that's pretty cool. And especially since this is not a MagSafe case, and it holds on there pretty tightly, so that's a good sign. But I would definitely recommend a MagSafe case because I put other MagSafe things on this and they came off. But this does work. So who is this for? I would say this is for those that want another MagSafe accessory to go with your iPhone. If you just prefer to stick in the Apple ecosystem and you just want something that's going to work flawlessly with your iPhone, I would say this is the way to go. But there are cheaper options to charge your phone, and that would charge your phone several times over. So keep that in mind. when looking for battery packs. I would say for those with a 12 mini, this would probably be really good for you, or with just a regular 12, this would probably be really good for you, because the 12 mini is a lot smaller, and this fits the 12 mini really well, and it's flush all the way around. I don't own a 12 mini to show you, but I have seen videos where people have used this with a 12 mini, and it looks really good on a 12 mini. I would also say this is a really good Qi wireless charger if you just wanted to use it as a Qi wireless charger. Let's say you kept this on your nightstand, you dropped your phone on it every night to charge your phone up. Let's say the power went out, it would keep your phone charging for as long as it had juice. So I guess it would be good for a situation like that. I also forgot to mention, it does do reverse wireless charging. So let's say you're in your car and you have your phone plugged in to your iPhone. This will charge your battery pack while your phone is being charged. So that's another cool thing. It does have reverse wireless charging. So you can't reverse wireless charge from your phone to the battery pack, but you can plug in a power adapter into your phone, and it will eventually charge your battery pack after your phone is fully charged. And if I could change a couple things about this, I would add maybe more features as far as like telling you the status of your charge. This little dot only gives you a orange charge when it's charging, and when you stick it on the back of your iPhone, it will give you an indication that it is charging your iPhone. But yeah, that is your iPhone battery pack with Magsafe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me down in the comment section below. I can do a full review on this battery pack, but I would like to use it for a while to see how I would use it in the everyday situation. Like I said, right now, only thing I can really see me using it for is like that throw it in my bag backup battery pack that I use when I feel like my phone is almost going dead and I just need some more juice. But yeah, if you have any questions, just leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, go ahead and leave your boy a like. I'm done rambling, so thank you guys again for checking out the video. So if you want to know anything else about this, hit me up in the comment section below. I will gladly answer any questions that you guys have about this battery pack. And yeah, that's it. See you guys next time. Peace.